Hi, welcome to the Protective Services Program. My name is Mr. Selander. I'd like to tell you a little bit about my program here at BCABTS. The Protective Services Program is intended to present a comprehensive public safety education to students interested in pursuing a career or volunteering in the fire and rescue service, emergency medical services, law enforcement, or other emergency management services. The program is certification-based and offers over 20 industry certifications from the Pennsylvania State Fire Academy, the Department of Health, and FEMA, just to name a few. Here's some of the skills that students will learn. In the firefighting section of the program, I present all 4 modules of the Pennsylvania Essentials of Firefighting curriculum, and I cover topics such as personal protective equipment, fire ground ladders, fire hose, tools and appliances, extinguishers, and the use of self-contained breathing apparatus. In the emergency medical services portion, I prepare students for Pennsylvania Department of Health and National Registry Emergency Medical Technician certification. Topics covered include anatomy and physiology, CPR and the use of an AED, the assessment of injuries and illnesses in medical and trauma patients, and the overall roles and responsibilities of the EMT. The rescue portion of the program deals with vehicle rescue as well as other areas of technical rescue. In the vehicle rescue course, I cover areas such as vehicle stabilization and hazard control, the use of various rescue tools including the jaws of life, and packaging patients and extricating them from vehicles and machineries. The technical rescue course includes skills such as rappelling, construction of lowering and raising systems, A-frames, tripod usage, rescue service knots and hitches, and rigging various rescue rope systems. Law enforcement section offers the students an overview of the criminal justice system and the police officer's role within it. Some topics covered will be the development and structure of criminal justice and policing, the impact of the Constitution of the Bill of Rights on the police officer, and the utilization of Pennsylvania crimes and vehicle codes. This section will help to prepare the student for post-secondary training and education in the criminal justice system or to enter a municipal police officers training academy. Some program-related occupations include police officers, firefighters, EMTs, and 911 emergency dispatchers, with entry-level earnings in these positions ranging from $15 to $30 an hour. There's post-secondary opportunities that include articulation credits earned towards associate degrees at institutions such as BC3. So if you're interested in this rewarding line of work, if you desire to help people, we'd like to see you here at BCABTS, and thanks for watching.
Welcome to the Health Assistant Classroom. My name is Mrs. Blank, and I am the Level 1 Health Assistant Instructor here at the Butler County Area Vocational-Technical School. Of the 10 fastest growing jobs in Pennsylvania, 6 are related to healthcare. If you enjoy learning about the human body and helping others, the Health Assistant class is for you. In the Health Assistant class, you will learn anatomy, physiology, medical terminology, all while developing hands-on skills. These healthcare skills include activities of daily living, infection control, phlebotomy, and EKG. Skills are first learned in the nursing assistant lab and further developed through practice at area facilities such as the Sunnyview Nursing Home, VA Medical Center, Butler Health Systems, and Life Steps. At these facilities, you will also be able to explore many healthcare careers. As you can see, there are a number of certifications you can earn during your time with us. The 2 most popular certifications are Nursing Assistant and Patient Care Technician.
Hi, my name is Mrs. Selander. I am the 2nd and 3rd level Health Assistant Instructor here at BCABTS. There are many entry-level job opportunities after completing the Health Assistant program at BCABTS. Some of these positions are Nursing Assistant, Dietary Aide, Patient Care Technician, Hospitality Aide, Medical Assistant, Medical Receptionist, and a Pharmacy Technician. Butler and the surrounding counties have many facilities employing the healthcare workers. The Health Assistant Program has articulation agreements with Butler County Community College, Pittsburgh Technical College, and Lenape. These agreements allow a student that has completed the program to receive college credits towards their academic career. Higher learning in healthcare depends on the degree you are working towards and how many years you would like to continue your education. The Health Assistant Program can be the beginning of a future in healthcare for you. We hope to see you here.
Welcome to Sports Medicine. My name is Dr. Heineman, and I'm the instructor here at BCABTS. In the next 10 years, the field of healthcare is expected to grow by over 1.9 million jobs. If this is an area that you see yourself working in, please look at our program a little bit further. Our academic foundation relies heavily on human anatomy, exercise physiology, and medical terminology. Within the classroom and the lab, we work on emergency care, injury prevention and treatment, exercise prescription, infection control techniques, and a little bit of nutrition. Our technical skills include measuring and recording vital signs, performing CPR and first aid skills, conducting baseline exercise testing, and injury bracing, taping, and wrapping techniques. Career opportunities right out of high school include personal training, group fitness instructing, and rehabilitation aids. You will strongly be prepared to start college to pursue options such as physical and occupational therapy, exercise physiology, and athletic training. Our certifications include the National Safety Council CPR, First Aid, and AED training, and after graduation, you can sit for your AMCA PT Aid certificate and ACSM Personal Trainer certificate. If you're interested in any of these opportunities, we would love to see you here at BCABTS.
Hello, welcome to HVAC. I'm Mr. Collins, the HVAC instructor. In this program, my students don't learn one career. They actually learn 7 different careers. They learn heating, air conditioning, refrigeration, sheet metal fabrication, residential, commercial wiring, and basic plumbing skills. Each of those are a career in itself. Let's talk about HVAC for a second. Talk about why you would take this class. You're looking for money, income. There's a great opportunity in heating and air conditioning. My students, when they come out, get a starting wage that is usually comparable to some of the highest paying trades out there or available. Let's talk about jobs. Are there going to be jobs? That's a big concern for young people today. Yes, I guarantee there are going to be jobs. In fact, through 2026, we have the most jobs of any other career or technical trade area. You could also become your own boss. You could go anywhere in the United States and work in this trade because everybody needs heat, everybody needs cooling, everybody needs electricity. So the jobs are there, the careers are there, and they are sustainable. Some of the options that my students use is they may pursue going into some of the local unions. And an example of one of the local unions that my students go to are the steam fitters, Local 449. This is the HVAC union. But you don't have to go union. If you choose to go pursue something else, you could go work in a non-union factory as well. You could go to a technical school. We have advanced placement at countless technical schools and universities for your time at the Butler County Area Vocational-Technical School. So these are choices that you can make as well. Advantages of apprenticeships, no cost. You're paid while you're on the job. Where if you go to college, of course, there's going to be debt and you're not being paid. You're not gaining any technical experience either. Non-union jobs, again, good and high pay. I have an example highlighted there of the HVAC job opportunities: maintenance technician, operations manager, and field service technician. All of them you can see much higher paying than even some of the degree programs at the schools. We also get you fully certified. You get your certification in EPA 608, ICE certifications, 410 safety certifications, and corrugated stainless steel tubing certifications as well. And again, we don't want to put your college careers to sleep. We support that. We want you to further your education. We want you to go on if you choose to. And we have articulation agreements at countless schools and universities, and these are just a few of them: Rosedale, University of Northwestern Ohio, Triangle Tech, and BC3. You get 12 college credits alone for your time in the HVAC program at Butler County Community College. So again, these are great opportunities. This is an excellent career. Again, my name is Mr. Collins from HVAC, and I hope to see you in my class someday.
Hello, I'm Mr. Sankey, the building construction instructor at Butler Vo-Tech. The building construction course covers all aspects of residential construction. Students learn all the skills that are needed for all facets of construction industry. Many of my former students are working in the construction field, including framing, roofing, masonry, electric, and plumbing. Some of my students have also opted to go to the Carpenters Union. There is a high demand for skilled laborers and tradesmen in this area. We also have an articulation agreement with Triangle Tech for students wanting to further their education. The students learn construction skills by working on full-size projects in our very large shop. They work together to design and build a mock-up of a full-size house. They also worked on a full-size roof. They do masonry projects that includes block laying, brick laying, and ceramic tile floors. We also split off into teams and they build full bathrooms. It has all the electric and plumbing features and also a flushable toilet. As you can see, our shop is equipped with the latest generation of tools. We do some projects for the community, like this tiny house we built for the Disabled Veterans Association. During the class, you will have many opportunities to earn many construction certifications. They also include OSHA 10 and the forklift. I hope to see you in my class someday.
Hi, I'm Mr. McKee, carpentry and cabinet making instructor. The carpentry course covers all aspects of construction and cabinet making. The students learn all the skills needed to work in construction, cabinet making, as well as all forms of manufacturing. My students are working in cabinet shops, local contractors, and Carpenters Union. There's a high demand for skilled tradesmen. We also have an articulation agreement with Triangle Tech for students wanting to further their education. Students learn carpentry skills while producing high-end custom projects. The first-year students work in a production setting and build a nightstand. After finishing, they have the skills to produce just about anything. Projects they wish in the next 2 years are free to them to design and build. As you can see in our PowerPoint, there are many beautiful projects. Some have been mass-produced. Most are one-of-a-kind. The equipment we have in our shop helps us produce high-end custom pieces of furniture. As you'll see in a moment, we have some CNC equipment, a CNC lathe for table legs, a CNC router that has 8 tool changers and limitless possibilities of things that can be produced on that. We also do a lot of artsy work. We do a fair amount of artistic work with wood. Guitars have been made on the CNC machine. Cornhole boards, a number of projects, all different levels of skill required to produce.
Welcome to Culinary Arts. I'm the Baking and Pastry Arts instructor, Chef Collins.
And I'm the Culinary Arts instructor, Chef Larson. While you're here with us at Butler County ABTS, we're going to focus on some basic skills in the culinary arts field. Things like knife skills, vegetable and starch prep, poultry, beef, pork, and fish preparation, soup stocks and sauces.
Mixing methods, pies and tarts, cake decorating, quick breads, and bread making.
You're also going to learn some interpersonal skills, things like problem solving, teamwork, and peer management.
Our program is accredited through the American Culinary Federation. We offer the Certified Junior Culinarian and 18 assorted skill certifications, as well as we offer ServSafe, both food worker and manager.
Some of the continuing ed options that you have that are very popular with our students IEP Academy of Culinary Arts, Sullivan University, Penn College of Technology, Westmoreland County Community College, locally here at BC3, and also because we're accredited by the American Culinary Federation, we can also offer apprenticeships.
We have students all over the country, including America Club in Wisconsin, Mar-a-Lago in Key West, private business owners in Colorado Springs, and locally here at the Chop Shop, Butler Country Club, and Cervantes. If any of these things interest you, we look forward to seeing you in our kitchens next year.
Hi, welcome to Butler Votech Cosmetology program. Our cosmetology program enables students to be prepared to work in the workforce. You see pictures of our students here that are getting ready and practicing their skills and prepared for the workforce in cosmetology. The state board requires our students to earn 1,250 hours. So it's imperative that the students have good attendance as well as come to night school and our summer school program as well. If they don't earn all their hours here at our regular school during their 10th, 11th, and 12th grade year, they can always transfer those hours to a post-secondary cosmetology school. Some of the skills that our students will learn are listed on the board. Our students will practice working on mannequins, they'll practice working on each other, clients, and we do community service to help our students earn the best experience. Some certifications besides the State Board of Cosmetology license our students can earn is an SP2, and that is a safety program, as well as Barbicide offers a disinfection program as well. After our students do earn their hours, they can go on to college at BC3 to earn a cosmetology management degree. Job opportunities are going to be an assistant, a stylist, a nail technician, as well as esthetician. We want to thank you very much for touring our school, looking at our program, and if you have any questions, feel free to contact Butler Votech. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.
Hello, I am Mr. Petronellis, welding instructor here at the Butler County Area Vocational-Technical School, and I'd like to share a little bit about our program. We have a new shop and a whole lot of new equipment for this year. The new shop boasts 21 welding stations, and we've got older equipment along with very modern technology that is a nice blend for the learning experience. And we're very excited that we have a brand new CNC plasma table. Some of the hands-on skills that you'll be receiving at this school: oxy-fuel torch cutting, gouging, and heating. The welding processes would be shielded metal arc, gas metal arc, flux cord arc, gas tungsten arc, and of course plasma arc, both in manual and on our new CNC machine. Some of the certifications that the students will be able to receive if they pass the physical welding test through the American Welding Society would be a D11 certification in various processes and various positions. There's some apprenticeship programs that you can try to become a member at: the Boilermakers, the iron workers, steam fitters, and the sheet metal workers. That takes an application process and testing to get into that. Or you can shoot over to a trade school. Hobart Institute is very good. Lincoln Electric Weld School is very good. And if you are a NASCAR or any kind of vehicle racing fan, Lincoln Electric Motorsports Welding School is probably the best around to help you get into that field. And of course, there's Pittsburgh Technical College. They have a fantastic shop, incredible instructors, and they're very good if you choose to stay local. If you decide to go on to college, some of the degrees that you could pursue would be welding engineering, metallurgy, computer-aided drafting and designing, and mechanical engineering, and that all falls in underneath the welding occupational cluster. So the occupational opportunities, of course, you can get into sales. You have the welding knowledge and some skill and ability to demonstrate some of the equipment that some of the contractors or private industry may need and be able to sell them the products that they need.
You can become a small business owner. You could also work in private industry. There is a lot of fabrication shops that need welders, and there are, of course, the union membership where, you know, if you wanted to become a steam fitter and get into the union membership, you can go weld on pipelines if you'd like.
Hi, welcome to Machine Technology. My name is Mr. Klaus. I am the instructor here. And in Machine Technology, we make a lot of tools and a lot of toys. I laid out a sample of some of the projects we do on the table here. We'll look at a few in a second. But we try to make learning fun by doing cool projects. Every project you make is yours to take home with you. And the reason we make these projects is to teach you the skills you need for manufacturing. In Butler County, over 100 different manufacturers. A lot of our students will start with a co-op program and then lead into a full-time career upon graduation. If you're thinking about mechanical engineering, this shop gives you a real hands-on on how parts are made so they fit and work together really well. And we also certify you in 12 different areas of machining. All 12 certifications are nationally recognized certifications. And I want to show you an example of how we make parts and what we would teach you here in the Machine Technology program. One of the projects is called a fire eater engine. I want you to pay attention to the one particular part called the cylinder. This thing's made of 22 parts. Our students manufacture all 22 components. We want to show you how we get to a finished part called the cylinder. We'd start out as a piece of raw material, and we'd drill a hole in it and put some diameters on it, and it would look like this. Then we'd flip it around and put some grooves into this thing, and it would look like this. Once we got to this stage, we'd machine a flat across there, and we'd have a almost complete cylinder. We've got to add a little slot here, and when we do, we have a finished product. So we went from a piece of raw material to a finished product that would actually fit into this project, the fire eater engine, the cylinder. When our students make all 22 components, this thing will actually work together and run off of a flame. I'd like to demonstrate that for you. Science, technology, engineering, and math, all in one project here in Machine Technology. We teach you these skills you need to make you ready for tomorrow's workforce.
Hi, I am Mr. Peters, the collision repair instructor at the Butler Votech. Here are some slides of the skills you will learn in my program. Right now, job opportunities are endless in the collision repair field. You can be a counter person, a body man, a glass installer, painter, an adjuster, just to name a few. 10 to 12 students a year will receive job offers from my program. I also have articulation agreements with some technical schools, and I have a professional airbrush artist come in and do some airbrushing, and I have a professional wrap technician come in and teach the students how to wrap a vehicle. I have over 20 I-CAR certifications available, so if you would like, join the collision repair next school year. Talk to your guidance counselor about signing up today. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Rick Bennett. I'm the automotive technology instructor here at the Votech. Upon successful completion of the course, your student will have several opportunities in the fast-paced, fast-growing automotive career field. These are just a few of those opportunities. Your student will be able to gain several certifications while here in the program. These are just a few of those certifications. The most important of which is probably the ASE certification program. This has been around for many, many years and has certified several automotive technicians over the years. Your student will also have the opportunity to earn their PA state inspection license before graduation. All shops and dealerships in the area require that service technicians have this certification. We also have a partnership with Subaru and Ford to provide our students with certification training through those manufacturers. they can earn these certifications and get a jump start on their career if they're interested in working for Ford or Subaru. The need for automotive technicians today is very great. The industry estimates that within the next 3 to 5 years, they'll need upwards of 740,000 new technicians. The wages are very competitive in the career field. Upon graduation, most entry-level technicians start anywhere between $35,000 and $50,000 per year. Master certified technicians make between $75,000 and $100,000 a year. There's a lot of opportunity for your student to become a successful automotive technician.
Hello, my name is Mr. Rierick, and I'm the heavy equipment repair instructor here at the Butler Votech. There are a wide variety of technician jobs available, from agricultural, bus, trucks, and equipment such as dozers and backhoes, or diesel engine specialist, along with outdoor power equipment technician. You'll also have the opportunity to learn outside of the classroom through our cooperative program. There are many certifications available: the Automotive Service Excellence Medium Heavy Truck Test, Multimeter, Fork Truck Operator, State Inspection License, just to name a few. These will all help you get your foot in the door at many employers across Butler County. The future is up to you. Whether you go straight to work or decide on continuing your education, we will have you prepared here in the Heavy Equipment Repair Program. We also have numerous types of equipment available for you to train on, from an excavator to different brands of engines, including Caterpillar, Cummins, Detroit Diesel. You will also learn how to weld. So we have real-world equipment here for you to work on. Everything is here for you to prepare you for the workforce. So tell your guidance counselor that you would want to be a heavy equipment repair student. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Leanne Clutter. I am the instructor for graphic design, and we're going to have an overview of what this class is about. Things you're going to cover while you're here: color theory, illustration, digital imaging, typography, multi-page layout, advertising, photography. You're also going to get into package design, pre-press, screen printing, embroidery, vinyl design and application, bindery, finishing, laser cutting, etching, and operations, and of course, safety. We will focus on creating or developing your creativity skills, technical skills, problem-solving skills, and communication skills. We're also going to be using 3 different software packages. So you're going to learn Adobe products, and it'll be InDesign, Illustrator, and Photoshop. We have options once you leave the Votech. We have articulation agreements with a couple of colleges. That means that's free credits, BC3 and PTC, but you can also go out to the world of work and actually work in this field in advertising or illustration or photography. Certification options are industry standard type certifications, Adobe, so you can go for your Illustrator, Photoshop, or InDesign. These are just some slides that give you some examples of projects you might work on: advertising and design, photography. We also get into digital drawing. We also have a laser here, typography, package design, color correction, and also manipulation, pen and ink, and all aspects of drawing. We have silk screening here, so you're going to learn how to silk screen and have the procedures behind it, vinyl decal application and design. And we do vehicle wrapping, embroidery, and this is all done in a state-of-the-art classroom. So if you're interested in any class here at the Votech, you can check out our website. Sign up early because we do fill up, and you want to go to butlertech.us.
Hello, my name is Dan Zulik, and I'm the Computer Networking and Security Instructor here at the Butler County Vo-Tech School. In this program, students learn a variety of skills, including network design, installation and support, computer repair, cybersecurity, and much more. Throughout this program, students get to work on various projects, such as setting up and maintaining their own network servers, installing network cabling, configuring network devices, working with virtual machines, and performing security assessments. Throughout this course, students are given the opportunity to take a number of industry certifications. Our program is an authorized training academy for CompTIA, and we host a private Pearson VUE test site. All of this means that our students can take their certifications right here in the classroom. Upon the completion of the program, some of our students pursue entry-level positions such as computer or network technician support or work as help desk technicians. Other students seek careers in other areas such as network administration or computer forensics, as these positions typically require that you have advanced degrees and/or work experience. Students can take advantage of our articulation agreements to receive advanced placement or credits at numerous schools, such as the Butler County Community College or Pittsburgh Technical College, and so forth. So whether you're looking to pick up some skills to work on your own computers and network equipment, or you're looking to get a head start on a career in IT, the Computer Networking and Security program here at the Butler Vo-Tech is a great place to start. Thanks for listening, and please check out our links for more information. Thank you.